What's up guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to upscale image quality using AI for free. If you have a blurry or low resolution image and want to make it sharper and clearer, this guide will walk you through the process. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for a free AI image upscaler. There are several websites available that let you enhance image quality without needing advanced editing skills. Once you've opened the website, look for the Upload Image button and click it. Select the image you'd like to enhance from your computer, then wait a few moments while it's uploaded. After the upload is complete, the AI will automatically begin analyzing your image. Depending on the website you're using, you may also see options to choose an upscale level, such as 2x or 4x. Select the option that best fits your needs. Next, click the Upscale, Enhance, or Generate button if the website requires it. The AI will now process your image. This usually only takes a few seconds, although larger image may take a little longer. Once the enhancement is complete, compare the original image with the upscaled version. You should notice improved sharpness, clearer details, and better overall image quality. If you're happy with the results, click the download button to save the enhanced image to your device. Keep in mind that AI can significantly improve image quality, but it can't always restore details that were never present in the original image. For the best results, start with the highest quality image you have available. And that's it. That's how you can upscale image quality using AI for free. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.